Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cytomegalovirus. If there is cytomegalovirus causing CNS infection, what is the manifestation? Cytomegalovirus in the CNS, it can cause meningoencephalitis and it can also cause retinitis. And if there are any hemorrhagic infarctions in any of the brain, these hemorrhagic infarctions are not a feature of CNS infarctions are not a feature of CMV retinitis. Hemorrhagic infarctions are not a feature of CMV retinitis.
thank you and thank you for watching.